Today I'm going to be showing you my vending machine. Woo, 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 woo. So I'm going to put some money in and see what I want. So first I'm going to get, here's my first coin. So what do you think I should get? Should I get Nutri-Grain bar, a cinnamon disc, extra watermelon gum, coconut bar, or a cinnamon bun? What do you think I should get? I think I would want the coconut bar. Here's the coin. Look, I got the coconut bar. I'm kidding. I'm not going to eat it when it's not in the wraps. So next I'm going to take my coin. Next I think I'm going to get, what should I get? The honey bun, or the cinnamon bun. I got the cinnamon bun. Yeah.
Thank you for buying.
I'm gonna get more. Okay, so I have 3 more coins. This time, what should I get? I think I'm gonna get number 1. Nutri-Grain bar. Yay, I got the Nutri-Grain bar. Woo, woo.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Looks like that just kind of malfunctioned. Next, I think I'm gonna get extra watermelon gum.
Too much money. Too much money.
Too much money? I got my gum.
Shoo! Whee!
Did that just malfunction? I think next I'm gonna get another cinnamon bun. I love cinnamon buns. I'm gonna pay Did it just wave at me? Okay, for the last thing, I think, what do I want? I'm gonna get the red hot cinnamon candy, cinnamon disc.
That much money will buy you 2. Thank you very much.
Yay, I got my cinnamon disc. Now this time for reals, I'm gonna eat it. Ooh, that's spicy. Oh well guys, I guess that's the end of the video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Bye!